Welcome to the YouTube channel, The Prep Studio, and I welcome you guys. Thank you so much for showing so much of support on my previous Lagrange Interpolation video. And I have received various comments from you guys based upon the concept itself, and you guys were really satisfied. And I feel really nice because when I see students like you preparing so hard, it motivates me to help you in every possible way, right? तो आज की वीडियो भी it is totally based upon the similar numerical concept, and if you haven't watched that video yet, I'll say guys please go and watch it, right? क्योंकि आपके concepts clear हो जाएंगे उससे, ओके। एंड इस वीडियो में भी आपको हेल्प मिलेगी, अदरवाइज उन्होंने नहीं देखी है ये वीडियो भी, आई मेक श्योर कि आप लोग इजीली समझ पाओ इस पूरे कंसेप्ट को। So when I talk about numerical interpolation, in numerical interpolation, we all know it is a numerical method where we have been given some of the data points and we have to find a value of given data point. ठीक है, in between that. Okay. And for example, we have been given this question over here, right? This is a numerical which is given to us where we are having some of the data points as we can see, and we have to find the value of y at a given data point, right? So for that also we'll continue our numerical. Okay, so firstly I want you guys to write some formula, and मैंने बहुत ही easily explain किया था आप लोगों को ये formula भी वहाँ पे। For finding this data point now, our formula is p of x is equal to L naught x into y naught plus L1 x into y1 plus L2 x into y2, right? This is the formula where L naught is given by L naught of x, right? L naught of x is given by x minus x1, x minus x2 divided by x naught minus x1 and x naught minus x2, right? बहुत ही easy है. I'll tell you guys a trick for this also. अगर मुझे L1 का निकालना होगा तो it is x minus x naught, x minus x2 upon x1 minus x naught and x1 minus x2. And for L2x it is x minus x naught, x minus x1 divided by x2 minus x naught into x2 minus x1. This is the formula. Now let me tell you guys a short trick. Just say it would be easier for you guys to remember it, right? चलो, this is तो our final formula, ठीक है? Oh my god, it's just a blunder. Okay, right. So this over here, this px, this is our फाइनल फॉर्मूला जहाँ पर हमें एल नॉट एक्स की वैल्यू यहाँ पर सब्स्टिट्यूट करनी है, राइट? फाइंड करके एल वन एक्स की वैल्यू यहाँ सब्स्टिट्यूट करनी है, एल टू एक्स की वैल्यू यहाँ पर सब्स्टिट्यूट करनी है, एंड वाई नॉट वाई वन वाई टू आर गिवन, राइट? अब इसको कैसे याद करें, बिकॉज ये तो आपको देख के सर चक्कर आ रहा होगा, राइट? जब मैं बात कर रही हूँ एल नॉट एक्स की तो आपको एक चीज़ दिख रही होगी, एक्स में से माइनस हो रहा है, x1 x2 ऊपर सब कुछ x में से माइनस हो रहा है ना, न्यूमिनेटर साइड, राइट? तो जब एल नॉट होगा ना यहाँ पे, एज यू कैन सी एल नॉट, तो नॉट वाले एक्स नॉट को छोड़ के एक्स में से बाकी दोनों माइनस हो जाएंगे. जब L1 होगा तो x1 को छोड़ के x में से x नॉट x2 माइनस हो जाएंगे. जब L2 होगा तो x2 को छोड़ के x में से x नॉट x1 माइनस हो गए, और नीचे नॉट है तो मैं x नॉट में से माइनस कर दूंगी दोनों को, L1 है तो x1 में से माइनस कर दूंगी दोनों को, L2 है तो x2 में से माइनस कर दूंगी दोनों को, राइट? आई थिंक आपको समझ में आ गया होगा। ओके, नाउ मूविंग फर्दर फॉर आवर न्यूमेरिकल। अब मुझे आप खुद बताओगे, ठीक है। पहला स्टेप तो मैं क्या करूँगी, आइडेंटिफाई करूँगी मैं वैल्यूज़ को, ठीक है। आइडेंटिफाई करूँगी वैल्यूज़ को जहाँ पर मैं x0, x1, x2 की वैल्यू लिखूँगी यहाँ पे, और मैं y0, y1, y2 की वैल्यू लिखूँगी यहाँ पे, फॉर ईजियर कैलकुलेशन पर्पस ओनली, राइट। ओके, x1 की वैल्यू क्या थी मेरे पास? फॉर x1 I was having 1, x2 I was having 3, and here I was having 4. For y1 I was having 2, 6, 5, right? And I had to find y at x equals to 2. Okay, my first step is done. It is quite simple, right? Okay. Now moving further, for second step, what I'll do? I'll find L naught of 2. तो मैंने बताया था जब L naught of 2 है ऊपर, तो मैं न्यूमिनेटर में x से माइनस करूँगी x1 को, फिर मैं x में से माइनस करूँगी x2 को, एंड क्योंकि ये L naught है तो मैं x naught से माइनस करूँगी x1 को, और x naught से माइनस करूँगी x2 को. Now substitute the values here. What you'll get? You'll get 2 minus 3, 2 minus 4 divide by 1 minus 3, 1 minus 4. That would be equal to 2 by 6, and that would be equal to 1 by 3. Right? Okay. Talking about L1 of 2, what you will do? ऊपर सेम x माइनस x नॉट होगा क्योंकि L1 की बात हो रही है, x माइनस x2 होगा, एंड डिनोमिनेटर में क्या होगा? x1 माइनस x नॉट एंड x1 minus x2, right? And here when you'll substitute the values, what you'll see here, x minus x naught, x was 2, 2 minus x naught was 1, then again 2 minus x2, that is 4, divide by x1 was 3 minus 1, then 3 minus 4, it would be equal to minus 2 by minus 2, right? Minus and minus cancel, it would be 1, right? Again, in our fourth step, what we'll do? We'll write for L2 of 2, which would be equal to, now write it yourself, x minus x1 divide by x2 minus x naught and x2 minus x1. Now for this, it would be equal to 2 minus 1, 2 minus 3 divide by 4 minus 1 and 4 minus 3, that would be equal to minus 1 by 3. Right. Now we have done 4 of our steps. Our last step would be putting all the values in our final formula, that was P of x. That would be equal to L naught of x into y naught plus L1 of x into y1 plus L2 of x into y2, right? Putting everything here, L naught of x is what? 1 by 3 into y naught. Y naught was what? 2 plus L1 of x was 1 into y1 was 6 plus minus 1 by 3 into 5. And when you'll put all of this together, what you'll get? You'll get 2 by 3 plus 6 minus 5 by 3, which would be equal to 6 minus 1, and that would be equal to 5, right? Okay, that would be equal to 5. So what is our final answer? Find y when x equals to 2. So when x was equivalent to 2, y was equal to 5. This is our final answer. I hope so you understood the concept, right? And thank you so much. If you like the video, please like and subscribe my channel. And if you are facing any sort of problem while solving this numerical concept, please leave a comment right in the comment section and I'll make sure I'll help you guys. And if you need any further explanation of on any of the concept, you can also drop a comment. I'll definitely help you guys resolving the issue, right? Take take care till then and please subscribe my channel. Thank you.